साउंड नहीं है।
Yes, sir.
Taking leave to file an application in connection with the circuit bench matter. Unless leave is given, it cannot be filed.
What is the urgency?
Well, it cannot be filed because if the application is filed, I have to file the principal bench. If leave is given, then my lord, because it cannot be corrected by the another coordinate court unless it is presented here.
So apply for the certified copy.
No, certified copy is this, not certified copy. It is for the correction of the order. To show my lord, I cannot file an application here unless the leave is given. In the ordinary matter, I can file an application, no leave is required. But in connection with the circuit matter, unless the leave is given, it cannot be accepted by
Is it whose order?
your lordship's order.
Let me see.
One line correction is required.
Why so late?
So, my lord, when the matter was, it is detected that this is the problem, it is being created.
What type of correction you want to know? What to?
The lordship kindly see the prayer portion. I have to sub the copy upon the other side also.
Last portion of paragraph 14.
Yes.
Leave the.
May I mention one listed motion? What does the land?
May I permit to mention one urgent motion? My lord, the demolition was, my lord, scheduled to be held on 23rd of, my lord, July. My lord, we prepared an appeal under section 10(4) of the West Bengal, my lord, Highway Act. The appeal is pending. My lord, without disposing that appeal, my lord, the demolition, my lord, date was fixed on 23rd of July.
What is the stage of the appeal? Just prepared.
Is appeal paper, my lord, appeal is not yet been admitted. My lord, the appeal is pending for the, my lord. We want to, my lord, early disposal of the appeal, and in the meantime, my lord, no coercive steps, my lord, with regard to demolition, my lord.
No order has been passed.
No order has been passed.
No stay order has been passed in the appeal.
No stay order has been passed.
Before the district magistrate.
Before the district magistrate.
Tomorrow under the heading fixed motion.
My lord, may I be permitted for upgradation, my lord? Here, my lord, the decree has been passed confirming the title. My lord, by virtue of the order of this honorable court, my lord, acquisition has lapsed. My lord, still, my lord, they are not demarcating. They are, my lord, making construction over my land.
Who are constructing?
My lord, KMDA and my lord, the other state.
It will be taken care of. No urgency.
But I am not in a position to, my lord, kindly, my lord.
Your lordship, for inclusion in the list.
May I permit to mention, my lord, for restoration, my lord?
My lord, there are two matters.
Upgradation return. You have to move.
My lord, there is a listed motion that has not been come.
Listed motion, just hand over the slip.
May I permit to mention, my lord, for restoration, my lord?
Restoration application. Again, take it.
My lord,
restoration application is my
lord, I have not mentioned the upgradation. My lord, upgradation urgency. My lord, kindly hear me, my lord.
No urgency.
My lord, kindly hear me 1 minute. My lord, now the section 10(1) proceeding has been initiated. Thereafter, my lord, without complying the section 10(2), the statewide the authority concerned has issued a notice for the conclusion of the proceeding under section 10(3). So I have challenged the proceeding. That is the item number 309.
Let them demolish. If you have encroached, why?
No, I am not encroaching. I have come.
No, sorry.
For inclusion in the list, lordship.
Under the heading?
New motion, lordship.
Any other mention? Call the list. Circuit bench matter আছে কিছু? Port Blair matter another?
No, this one matter.
All the Port Blair matter first.
Lord, I am for the writ petition, my lord. Gangadin.
Give me a second.
Lord.
Yes.
My lord, the order of the Tahsildar dated 1st July 2025 has been challenged. My lord, this order came to be passed by the Tahsildar pursuant to a direction passed by this court in a writ petition, because identical order was passed earlier by the Tahsildar. I'll show that order once, my lord. It's at page 71. Same order. The date different. I have challenged this order at page 71 before this court at page 75. Now kindly see. By the Tahsildar against the Gangadin. 71.
71 or 75?
75.
71 is
75.
just one. 71 is the previous order of the Tahsildar, my lord. Page 73 may kindly be seen. Page 73 may kindly be seen. I have been held to be an encroacher of a land of one Meenakshi. Page 73. Now this order was challenged at page 75.
Give me a second.
My lord.
So page 73 shows your eviction order.
And that has been challenged at page 75. Now kindly see the order of this court, a coordinate bench order dated 15th April 2024. My lord, that order of the Tahsil which I have shown just now was set aside and there was some direction given. I'll just show that. My lord would find that operative portion at page 81. 81. I'm just placing page 81, my lord. Page 81. May I place it, my lord? Page 81.
Yes.
At paragraph 25, my lord, during first round of litigation, the coordinate bench of this court sitting on writ petition number 78 of 29 came across an order dated 18/8/2017 passed by the learned Tahsildar Portblair giving direction to remove illegal occupation made over a land of petitioner relying upon the report of field staff. The Honorable Coordinate Bench virtually set aside the order dated 18/8/2017 with a direction upon the learned Tahsildar to pass a reason order upon hearing a submission made on behalf of the parties and upon perusal of the documentary evidence produced by them and communicate such decision to parties within a fortnight thereafter. Pursuant to the direction of the Honorable High Court in WP number 78 of 2019, the learned Tahsildar Portblair passed an order on 16/3/21 directing the petitioner to vacate unauthorized occupation over subject line in connection with survey number 19/5 recorded in favor of respondent number 4. During second round of litigation before this court, petitioner have again challenged the order of the learned Tahsildar Portblair passed on 16/3/2021 in the writ petition being number 135 of 2021, wherein the Honorable Coordinate Bench passed the following orders. The order has been reproduced, not, and then I'll take Manos to paragraph 28 at page 82. Therefore, in the writ petition being WPA number 135 of 2021, Honorable Coordinate Bench provided liberty to the petitioner to file objection against the demarcation survey report dated 3/3/2023, and on receipt of that objection, authority was directed to pass a speaking order in accordance with law after giving opportunity of hearing to the petitioner until date the period and order of status quo was promulgated subject line. It appears that petitioner filed written objection raising three issues as follows. 29.1, the petitioner constructed house in the year 2008 after obtaining sanction plan in the year 2007, and the written complaint submitted by the respondent number 4 as barred under section 161 of regulation 1966. 29.2, the surveyor did not follow the yardstick as required to hold demarcation on the basis of ETS. 29.3, there was a boundary dispute between the land occupied by the
Yes.
and the High Court directed while setting aside.
No, sorry. Read out 29.3 because your video has been mute.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. 29 point. There was a boundary dispute between the land occupied by the petitioner and that of respondent number 4. and the adjudication of the said boundary dispute is exclusive domain of Deputy Commissioner, Andaman and Nicobar Administration, not within the jurisdiction of learned Tahsildar within the meaning of Section 96 of Regulation 1966. After careful scrutiny of the impugned order dated 27/4/2023, I find that the learned Tahsildar Portbler did not adjudicate any of the above issue by any single sentence, and on this score, the order dated 27/4/2020 is not sustainable in law and not being ratified by the principle of natural justice. Accordingly, the order dated 27/4/2023 stands set aside. The learned Tahsildar Portbler is requested to address all the aforesaid issue raised in the written objection dated 1/3/2023 filed by the petitioner in compliance with the Honorable Coordinate Bench in WPA number 135 of 2021 and adjudicate those issues if required on the evidence adduced by parties and after giving them an opportunity of hearing but without giving unnecessary adjournment. Learned Tahsildar Portbler is also requested to adjudicate the issue by giving direction upon the parties to produce documents and also adduce evidence if required. Learned Tahsildar Portbler is requested to
Very
dispose
good. Now, the order has been passed.
of which is at page
Order has
85,
been passed.
page 85, Lord, which I have challenged in the present writ petition. Page 85. Lord, kindly see page 85. My Lord would find at the at paragraph 3 at the top how the Tahsildar have come to a finding. Let me place paragraph 3. And whereas the conspectus of the case evidently corroborated in the report of demarcation conducted by ETS machine on different occasion, 30th of August 2024 and 1st of April 2025 is that. Now, these two dates may kindly be taken into account. Then, my Lord, the Tahsildar holds in serial number 1 an area of 60.4 square meter of land bearing survey 19.5 is under physical occupation by adjacent tenant cum writ petitioner Sri Gangadin, my client, by way of constructing double-storied structures. So, for us 2-3 years concerned, it's not related to me, Lord. So, I'm concerned with one. The Tahsildar says that I have raised building over 19/5. Not then, and whereas ample opportunity provided to both the parties on the sine qua non sacrosanct principle of natural justice, audio alteram partem, and the party was heard on length during the time of proceeding, and also the documents upon which the respondent's authorities is relied upon with respect to the objection filed by the writ petition have been inspected by the learned counsel for both parties, that is writ petition and the private respondent as well. And whereas undersigned in compliance to the direction of the Honorable High Court to address and adjudicate all the three issues raised in the rather than written objection filed by the writ petition in compliance with the Honorable Coordinate Bench in WPA number 135 of 2021. First, in primary instance, the order dated 18th August 2017 passed by the Court of Tahsildar Portbler in AC number so-and-so, wherein it is clearly evident that the field staff reported that Sri Gangadin started construction illegally upon subject land, survey number 19/5, situated at Dudline village, was corroborated in the demarcation conducted, and accordingly the illegal occupier Sri Gangadin was directed to remove such illegal occupation under section 161 of Andaman and Nicobar Island LR and LR 1966, which is a clear disposition case empowered upon the Tahsildar. 2 more. The boundaries of land bearing survey number 19/5 along with the adjacent land parcel, that is 19/1, 19/2, 19/3 and 19/4, my lord, kindly take note of it, my lord. It is in my name. I have constructed the building over this plot 19/4 by obtaining sanction plan. I am the owner, which were subdivided out of parent land bearing survey number 19 allowed by the Deputy Commissioner on 13/8/2005 in RC number so-and-so. Upon the consent of the then record, the same was demarcated on 30th/8/2024 and 1/5/2025 in presence, and the physical occupation of all the adjacent tenants along with the writ petitions is shown over the approved subdivision plan. Since the private respondent Srimati Meenakshi was entirely dispossessed by adjacent tenants, the Tahsildar Sri Vijayapuram is empowered to initiate action of eviction under section 161 of Andaman and Nicobar Island LR and LR 1966. My lord, then same hearing was done, and whereas next page, my lord, 86, this what the Tahsildar have come to. My lord, nowhere in the impugned order the mandate and the direction given by a coordinate bench to decide those three pivotal issues were decided. This first thing. Secondly, my lord, the impugned order was passed based on a fresh demarcation held on 30th August 2024 and 1st of May 2025. The copy of this report was not given to me. Lord, if an adverse material is collected behind me, I am entitled to deal with it, Lordship. This was not given to me in course of hearing. The Tahsildar records that the inspection was done. Let them show the record, Lord, that the inspection was done. The writ court directed the Tahsildar to decide these two pivotal issues, whether the Tahsildar is having jurisdiction under 161. Lord, I'll show that provision also. Under that provision, Tahsildar is vested with the power to throw an encroacher from a land if the disposition is took place within 2 years. If it is beyond 2 years, then Tahsildar have no jurisdiction. This pivotal legal issue have not been addressed by the Tahsildar upon the matter being remanded by in the impugned order. Malad, kindly have a note of it. Malad, secondly, Malad, kindly appreciate, I am the,
Give me a second, give me a second.
my lord. It simply records the provision 161, what it says. There has to be an application of mind. There has to be an inquiry. There has to be an evidence to corroborate the claim of the adjacent plot holder that I have encroached any portion of land beyond my recorded land by raising a building. Now this by way of this impugned order, my building is, they have already removed a part of.
Give me a second, sir. Give me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yes, sir.
Lord, my point of argument is, my lord, when a writ court directs the authority to act particular act in a particular manner, the order must indicate the application of mine. Insofar as the present proceeding is concerned, in my written objection, I have specifically raised Tahsildar have no jurisdiction. Why I say so, my lord? Kindly turn to page, my lord, 2021. Not kindly turn to page 2021 of the writ petition. 2021. 2021.
20 and 21.
1. This is the record entry showing that I am the owner of survey number 19/4. Malad, kindly see page 21, map, sketch map issued by the Tahsildar. Page 21, 20 and 21, Malad, kindly see. Malad would see the name of my client Gangadin. Survey number 19/4 is in my name. Got it, Malad?
Yes, sir.
Kindly turn to page 21, the map, the exact location of 19/4. Lord would see 19/4 and the eviction order is in respect of 19/5. The Tahsildar says, I have raised a building over 19/5. I'll show my sanction plan, my lord. I'll show this is sale deed I have annexed by virtue of which I purchased this land. The sale deed start at page 22. Sale deed of 2015. I purchased the land, sale deed based on this sale deed. And I'll show the sanction plan. So this is absolutely a boundary dispute, which is within the domain of deputy commissioner. Because the adjacent plot holder says that I have encroached and raised my building over her land. Lord, kindly see the sanction plan. Lord, would see
By the sale deed, which survey number you have purchased?
I'll show the schedule, my lord. I'll show the schedule. But just 1 second.
Page number 32.
32, my lord. Schedule, survey number 32. My lord, I'm grateful.
You purchased 19/3.
19/3, my lord. 19/3, my lord. Just one. But there was some record correction made, my lord. I have been given 19/4. My lord would see the page 20. There was some record correction.
No. From the schedule of your registered deed of conveyance.
Absolutely, absolutely. Just 1 second, my lord.
You have purchased 19/3.
Just 1 second. Just 1 second. My lord, 19/3. I purchased it. Just 1 second.
And eviction order was passed from
19/5.
Then where is the wrong?
No, the wrong is the Tahsildar says I have raised my building over 19/5. Now the first and foremost point is, kindly appreciate. There is a sanction plan. Kindly comes to page 60. Sanction plan in respect of my land, I have raised my RCC building during the year 2008. If let for the sake, Lordship, if it is presumed that I have enclosed the private land, then 2008 Tahsildar have no business. It is under the regulation 161. If it is within 2 years, he can exercise the power. Now kindly see the plan of 2008, page 60 at extreme right. Sanction plan by the municipal council.
Page.
Page 60. Page 60. Page 60, my lord.
Page 60.
60, my lord. See, the plan is of 2008. Right hand side. It's sealed above the seal of municipal council. It's of April 2008, 08, my lord.
It's not legible, sir. Difficulty is this.
I'm so sorry, my lord. I'm so sorry.
Page number 60. 60.
60. My lord would find an extreme right above the seal of municipal council. It's 3rd of April 07. At the top, my lord can see 4/4/2007. I have to raise my construction from 4/4/2007 to
But
3/4/2008.
it is in respect of which survey number?
My property, I'll show that also, my lord.
In respect of which survey number?
It's in my name, Lord. It's in respect of my survey number, Gangadin. I'll show, my lord. Just 1 second. Lord, kindly stands it's not legible at page 62, my lord. 62. Again, there is no legible copy, my lord. I'm so sorry, my lord, because the photo state. It's my specific case in the writ petition, Lord.
Proposed residential building on survey situated at
My lord, it's the survey
not
situated.
legible at all.
My lord, I can place the legible copy, my lord, but there's some urgency. My lord, I have raised this point in my written objection. I'll show that also, my lord. That
No,
no.
You got permission, you got sanction plan
Lord.
for residential building of which plot number?
Lord, 19/4, because 19/3 I purchased, then the record was corrected. Then at page 20, 19/4 was given. Sale deed is of, my lord, kindly see, it's of 19/3. Record entry is of 19/4. Ganga
No, so far the sanction plan is concerned, there is no mentioning of which plot in respect of which survey number.
My lord, I can give the legible copy because today, my lord, it's not possible. I can.
Then how can you pass an order?
My lord, I am on affidavit said, my lordship, it is in respect of my property, my lord. My lord, kindly see the written objection which I have raised. Written objection which I have filed with the coordinate bench directed the authority to consider.
No, that has, I understand. Where is the pleading that you have purchased which portion?
Yes, I'm grateful, my lord. I'm grateful. I'll just take my lord to that. My lord.
Come to paragraph 4.
Paragraph 4, 3 and 4.
Your petitioner have acquired over land of 19/3.
My lord, page 3, paragraph 3 may kindly be seen, my lordship. Paragraph 3 and 4, both. The writ petitioner is 3 is the writ petitioner, the recorded tenant of land bearing survey number 19/4, measuring area 84.4 square meters, situated at Dudh line under Porto, which is.
How he became owner of the 19/4?
No, the reason is there was a correction effected because if there is a revenue record correction, I have got it corrected because after correction 19/4 was allocated to me because I have.
Please see 90 para 4, my lord. 19
That I've seen.
My lord, both the survey numbers he has acquired his interest, he says so.
Right.
But whether which survey number he has acquired the interest, he is saying in both survey numbers, 19/4 as well as 19/3.
No document of title is there.
No, my lord. Only the sale deed, it shows that in respect of survey number 19/3, not 19/4.
And an eviction order has been passed in respect of 19/5.
Yes, my lord, 19/5, which is
How do
recorded
you
in
get
the
you
name of the private respondent.
Neither I admit not petitioner.
My lord, kindly come to page 53 once.
No, my lord, 19/5 is recorded in favor of the private respondent.
Right, my lord, kindly come to page 53. Page 53, my lord. Kindly come to page 53. Record entry showing 19/3. Kindly come to that, my lord. Page 53. Page 53. So, my lord, these two properties, so only I have said, my lord, I have purchased one property, one is in my mutated, my lord, kindly see page 53.
Record of rights, it shows, my lord, 19 by 3, my lord.
Right.
But
Sale
you
deed
were
also
saying
says 19
19 by
oblique 3.
4.
Even 19/4, my lordship, it is recorded in my name. So only I pleaded it. My lord, kindly appreciate this. Kindly appreciate this.
Very good. What have you got to say, madam?
My lord, may I
My
say,
lord.
my lord, may I add one
My
thing?
lord, if my lord sees the order passed by the Tehsildar, my lord, first of all, this order passed by the Tehsildar is an appealable order under the regulation, my lord. Secondly, my lord, the documents, the survey report and the inspection report that has already been
Applicable under regulation number?
28, my lord. Regulation 28,
Regulation 28.
my lord. Regulation 28.
Appeal before whom?
Before the SDO, my lord. It's 28 subclause A, my lord.
Small A or capital A?
Small a, my lord. 28 subclause A, small a.
SDO is the appropriate appellate authority.
My lord, my lord.
Very good. Then,
Then, my lord, they are saying that the documents, the field inspection report, as well as the demarcation.
yes. What happened? Wait.
Documents.
Wait.
My lord.
I've heard up to SDO appellate authority. Thereafter,
My lord.
you
The
have
next
been
point.
muted due to some technical
Sorry,
error.
my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. The next point, they have taken that the documents which we have relied that were not shown to them or that was not given to them. The documents, the field inspection report as well as the demarcation report were shown to the writ petitioner, my lord. It will reflect in the order sheet itself, my lord. If my lord comes page 85, my lord, the order passed by the Tehsildar. I'll just read out, my lord.
Please.
And whereas, my lord, page 85, my lord.
Yes, madam.
The report of the demarcation conducted by ETS machine on different instances. These are the report, my lord. The third paragraph, thereafter fourth paragraph, my lord. And whereas ample opportunity provided to both the parties means, my lord, writ petitioner as well as the private respondent, on sine qua non sacrosanct principle of natural justice, audi alteram partem, and the party were heard on length during the time of proceeding, and also the documents upon which the respondent authority is relied upon. What are those documents, my lord? Demarcation report, the field inspection report, and everything, with respect to the objection filed by the writ petitioner, have been inspected by the learned counsel of both the parties, that is by the writ petitioner and private respondent as well. Now, my lord, they cannot take this point that no document was shown to them at the time of hearing, my lord. The documents upon which we have relied and the Tehsildar passed this order, my lord, all those documents were inspected by both the parties, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, in the earlier set of litigation, my lord, the order passed on 15th April 2024, 3 points were, direction was given to adjudicate 3 points, my lord.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Fifth para, we have discussed all those 3 points, my lord. These 3 points, my lord, we have already adjudicated, my lord. It is not the case that we have not adjudicated the points, the direction that was given in the earlier writ petition, my lord. The order passed on 15th April 2024, my lord. 3 issues were raised and we have already adjudicated those 3 issues, my lord.
Any other point?
And my lord, this private respondent, I don't know why today the private respondent is not appearing. I am appearing on behalf of the official respondents, my lord. On the basis of the objection raised, on the basis of the complaint filed by the private respondent, this has been initiated.
Very good.
And
Take down.
the date of the complaint of the private respondent, my lord, it was within 2 years. So we have initiated the proceeding under section 161, my lord.
Lord, may I add one
Within
thing?
2 years of disposition, because the complaint filed by the private respondent was within 2 years, my lord, of her dispossession. So we have initiated our proceeding under section 161. That is the test, my lord.
Within 2 years.
My lord. The
No,
complaint that was filed by the private respondent for her dispossession from her suit land was within 2 years, my lord. The complaint was within 2 years.
Nowhere the
of her
impugnated
dispossession.
nowhere
So we initiated the proceeding under section 160, under regulation 161, my lord.
authority cannot supplement the
Within 2 years of the dispossession, my lord, dispossession of the private respondent from her landed property, my lord. It was within 2 years, so we proceeded under
I
section
understand.
61, my lord.
Take down, take down.
May I add one thing, my lord?
By filing the instant writ petition, the writ petitioners prayed for issuance of appropriate writs against the respondent authorities, more specifically more specifically against the respondent number 3 for quashing and oblique or cancelling and oblique or rescinding the order dated 1/7/2025. Full stop para. একটু খুলে দিন তো ভাই, এই একটু খুলে দাও তো এগুলোকে, ফ্ল্যাগ গুলো খুলে দিন। At the time of hearing, learned advocate, at the time of hearing, Mr. Jayapal, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the writ petitioner at the very outset, draws attention of this court to page number 71 to 74 of the instant writ petition, being a copy of the earlier order dated 27/4/2023, as passed by the respondent number 3, which was subject matter of challenge, in an earlier round of litigation, as filed by the writ petitioner. Full stop. Drawing attention to page number 75 to 84 of the instant writ petition, being a copy of the judgment dated 15/4/2024, as passed in WPS 730 of 2023 by a coordinate bench of this court. It is submitted by Mr. Jayapal that in the said earlier round of litigation, the said court, while setting aside the impugned order dated 27/4/2023, directed the respondent number 3 to consider some specific points as raised some specific points as raised by the writ petitioner before the respondent number 3 while passing the resident order on the basis of the application as filed by the private respondent. Stop paragraph. For effective adjudication of the instant writ petition, the relevant paragraph of the judgment dated 15/4/2024 is quoted herein below in verbatim. Paragraph number 29 টা set out হবে page number 82 and 83 At this juncture, Mr. Jayapal took me to the order under challenge of the instant order under challenge in the instant writ petition, as has been annexed at page number 85 and 86 of the instant writ petition. In course of his argument, Mr. Jayapal raised the following points. Colon দিয়ে ABC করো বা Roman 1 2 whatever you like. While passing the order under challenge dated 1/7/2025, the respondent number 3 placed his reliance upon two demarcation report on the basis of inspection dated 30/08/2024 and 1/5/2025 without serving any copy of thereof, copies thereof, causing violation of principle of natural justice. B or Roman 2, whatever you like. In the order under challenge, the points oblique issues as framed by the coordinate bench with its judgment dated 15/4/2024 have not been disposed of. Next point, we see on Roman 3. The respondent number 3 has failed to visualize that the writ petitioner has obtained sanction plan for erection of his building. Next point, the respondent number 3 has also failed to visualize that the application that the complaint made against the writ petitioner was barred since 2 years have elapsed from the date of making complaint by the private respondent. Stop para. What's your good name, madam? M.S. Das, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the ANN administration, however, contended that the instant writ petition is not maintainable since the order impugned is appealable under regulation 28 within bracket small a of ANN regulations, wherein the SDO is the appellate authority. Stop para. It is argued by MS Das that from the order under challenge, it would reveal that the issues as framed by the coordinate bench have been duly dealt with and disposed of by the respondent number 3. Stop. Mr. Das, MS Das further contended that within 2 years from the receipt of the private complaint, the appropriate proceeding was started under section 161 of ANN regulation, hereinafter referred to as the said regulation is stop para. This court has meticulously gone through the entire materials as placed before this court. This court has given due consideration over the submissions of the learned advocates for the contending parties. Stop para. In order to decide as to whether the instant rate petition has got any merit at all, in order to decide as to whether the respondent number 3, while passing the order under challenge dated 1/7/2025, has at all complied with the judgment and order dated 15/4/2024 as passed in WPS 730 of 2023. I propose to make a comparative study of the paragraph number 29 of the said judgment dated 15/4/2024 vis-a-vis the findings of the respondent number 3 in the impugned order. Stop para. From on perusal of the second paragraph of the order under challenge, it reveals that the respondent number 3 authority has duly decided the point of limitation as has been framed by the coordinate bench with its judgment dated 15/4/2024. Stop para. So for the point number 2, that is the surveyor, as to whether the surveyor had followed the yardstick for holding demarcation on the basis of ETS, it appears to this court that in the order under challenge, the said points have been duly dealt with by the respondent number 3 by making elaborate discussion on such subject. So far as the third point issue as framed by the coordinate bench is concerned, it further appears to this court that the same has also been dealt with. The same has also been dealt with by the respondent number 3 in an appropriate manner. Stop para. In view of such, this court comes to a categorical finding that by no stretch of imagination it can be said that the judgment and order dated 15/4/2024 as passed by a coordinate bench of this court has not complied with by the respondent number 3. Stop para. Coming back to the merit of the instant writ petition is concerned, it appears to this court that it is the specific case of the writ petitioner that the writ petitioner acquired interest over survey number 19/3 by executing a deed of conveyance dated 12/8/2025. A copy of the said deed of conveyance is also annexed to the instant writ petition. Stop there. Keeping in mind such factual scenario, if I again look to the order under challenge, it reveals that while passing the order under challenge dated 1/7/2025, the respondent number 3 authority had come to a specific finding that the present writ petitioner has encroached has encroached 64.4 square meter in survey number 19/5. Stop. It further reveals that it further reveals that the present writ petitioner, it further reveals from the order under challenge that on the basis of the demarcation report dated 30/08/2024 and 1/5/2025, the respondent number 3 authority has also come to a finding that the writ petitioner has constructed a double-storied RCC structure over survey number 19/5. Stop para. On being asked by this court, Mr. Joyapal, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the writ petitioner, could not substantiate the right title interest over survey number 19/5 except an entry over the entry in record of right. Stop para. It is settled by principle of law that it is settled principle of law that an entry in a record of right does not confer any title. Stop para. It appears to this court that the order as has been passed by the respondent number 3 authority is otherwise justified and no materials could be placed before this court, being a court of review, being a writ court, that the decision-making process of the respondent number 3 authority has been vitiated on account of consideration of some extraneous substance. Stop para. The writ petitioner could not satisfy this court as to why instead of issuing an alternative remedy, alternative efficacious remedy, he has approached this writ court for exercising extraordinary jurisdiction of this court in absence of any perversity in the order input. Stop para. Stop para. In view of the discussion made here, this court thus finds no merit in the instant writ petition, and accordingly, the instant writ petition is dismissed.
Obliged. Grateful, my lord.
Obliged. I'm grateful.
No order has to cost.
I'm deeply obliged.
Obliged.
I'm extremely obliged.
Next, জলপাইগুড়ি matter. এটা কি জলপাইগুড়ি? Yes, জলপাইগুড়ি. What is can? Who is appearing in জলপাইগুড়ি matter?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Oh,
For modification, my lord.
And
Your
I
lordship
appear for
order-
the DPSC Kuchbihar.
Your lordship directed the DPSC chairman, DPSC Kuchbihar consider the petitioner application for transfer. But my lord, here inter-district transfer. So board is the actual authority.
My lord.
Instead of respondent number 6, it should be, my lord, respondent number 4.
where is my order, sir?
Page 51, my lord.
Where is the operating portion?
Respondent number 6, my lord. Page 52.
Respondent number 6.
Respondent number 6. Instead of respondent number 6, it should be respondent number 4, my lord. Secretary West Bengal Board of Primary Education.
So I have not indicated. The secretary will consider.
My lord.
Representation was made by the with whom?
Both secretary and chairman also, man.
Where is the copy of the representation? In the main writ petition?
Kindly see, my lord. Page 49, my lord.
Of the writ petition?
Yes. My application.
Your application?
My lord. I annex the writ petition.
Page number?
Page 49, my lord. (47), my lord, also.
Give me a second, sir.
Secretary West Bengal Board of Primary Education.
Just wait. Where is my order? I'm sorry, I missed it. Yes, page now. I have got it.
51.
51
Your lordship order.
and prior to the secretary, page number 47.
47, man.
48 is to the chairman.
Chairman.
49 to the
Secretary.
secretary will consider.
Secretary will consider. Secretary is the respondent number 4, my lord.
Ashun.
Secretary board will head of the DPSC secretary.
By filing IL Yes, call the list of the principal bench.
I have petition. Affidavit of charge member. 2nd July, my lord, I have served the your lordship passed this order to serve the copy of the notice along with contempt application. Lord, I served the copy of the contempt application, my lord. They received the same, my lord, in spite of service. This contempt application, they do not appear.
Where is my order, Mr. Mukherjee?
Order, my lord. Last order,
No. The judgment.
judgment
Against
22nd
which
22nd January 2025.
what order has been passed? DI of school, not 24, Pargana.
Yes, sir.
They have been directed to postgraduate, grant postgraduate scale up pay to the representative
Yes.
effect from it. So this portion of the order has not been complied with.
Complied.
Paragraph 24.
Sir.
Who is the alleged contender? DI.
DI, my lord.
DI, not 24, Pargana.
Yes. Serve the copy of the notice along with contempt application, my lord.
Service has been effected, Mr.
Yes.
Mukherjee.
Yes. Last occasion, they
The
did not
affidavit of service is filed today on behalf of the anybody any letter by issuing a letter that somebody is appearing. You have got instruction.
No.
Please communicate today's order.
Today's order.
My lord, I am appealing for the petitioner.
For the first time.
This is first time. My lord, your lordship's order, page 18.
1-8.
1-8.
Where is the relevant portion, madam?
My lord, I am relying page 20, serial number 14. from page 37 onwards, my lord, I am annexing the picture, day-to-day picture of construction.
Till the passing of the decision order by the respondent number 5.
Yes.
Respondent number 5 authority has passed the order.
No, nothing has been done.
Still construction is going on.
Going on, my lord, serial number 14, your lordship specifically stated there shall be an order of stay over the construction. And page 37 onwards, my lord, I annexing the day-to-day construction, picture of the day-to-day
Who
construction.
is raising construction? Private respondent.
Number 9.
Private respondent number 9.
Number 9. And
So,
supervising authority, your lordship given to the SDO.
why have not made the private respondent party?
My lord, as your lordship direction has been given to the respondent number 3, 5, 6. So, my lord, I made them party because your lordship directed the SDO to supervise all the, my lord, function. That is page 21, serial number 16. The respondent number.
What is the date of the order?
My lord, date of the order 22nd May
My judgment.
2025.
My judgment.
22nd May 2025.
Has it been communicated?
Communicated, they received on 27th May 2000.
Where I will get that?
My lord, that is your lordship get from page 28 and 30.
28 and 30.
Yes. 28, my lord, BLRO received on 27/5/2025. And page 30.
On perusal of the petition under consideration.
My lord, stated on serial number 14, page 20.
In plot number 434.
Yes, yes, 430.
State.
On the last occasion, your lordship, Soumitra Bandyopadhyay and Subhashis Bandyopadhyay is there. They said they misplaced the copy. I've already served them a fresh copy, your lordship.
Let me pass over for some. Second call. Let us. Up to 12 from Colombo, up to 12 there will be a first call. Thereafter you again start second call. 5 you are appealing.
Number 6. 6. 7. Number 7. 7, I am participating.
You are for the petitioner. So come this side. Who is for the state?
My lord, earlier occasion, my lord.
Wait. Next.
8.
9. Question number 10.
10 I am for the respondent.
So this 7 and 10 you can take up together because challenging is also order through repetition has been filed. One by the person.
Who is the representative?
10 10 is the private respondent in Mr. South's petition.
The repetition is absent.
Yes.
There is a difficulty. Go on calling.
Question number 11.
Wait for the second call.
11 and 12 I am for the petitioner. This is the same matter my lordships can arise. I led by Mr. Supotimdal and a senior advocate. He may be online.
Yes, my lord, I'm there.
Is there any private respondent?
No, only
No.
state.
10,
11 and 12.
11 and 12.
Page 11, 26 is a lordship's order.
Mr. Dhar is present.
Yes, my lord.
11, 12.
My lord, 11 is, my lord, kindly come to the, my lord, 11. My lord, can you hear me?
Yes. Wait for some time. Let the file be placed first.
All right.
Is it, Mr. Dhar, is it that type of cases? কি হলো শোনা যাচ্ছে না কেন? Mr.
My
Dhar,
lord, my
yes,
lord, can you hear me?
yes.
Same type of cases where we do the gradation of the sand. We are not the auction. We are only the purchaser. We purchase through auction.
You deal with the water
Yes.
filters like substance.
That's right.
You are not an excavator.
Absolutely.
You
I am
do
not
make
the
any extraction.
No.
What
We
is
do
my
not
previous
deal with
order?
that. Well, kindly come to page 26. It is annexed.
ये नहीं तो 11 तो नहीं.
Mr. Dhar, have you annexed all the trade license?
Yes, everything. Kindly come to page 24 once. That's my representation before the appropriate authority. Even I have sought permission from them. Please allow us, because kindly read this. We are registered unit under MSME Udyam, and we have our unit for grading sand and gravel in Purulia district. We grade sand into different grades according to mesh size, which enhances the quality of sand and make it usable for many industries like water treatment, iron and steel, casting, dam-proof chemicals, foundry, sand, etc. Then natural river sand is brought from authorized mine owners of sand ghats. This excavation is done by the other persons, those who got the permission from the district magistrate.
Yes, what have you got to say?
Yes. He is in at number 12.
12.
Huh?
Item number 12 I am for.
Oh, which was the stay?
12. Shikanto Pal and Minal Kantri Ghosh.
Oh,
Also
oh.
informed later also.
No, then it must be not today.
Then, man, kindly make it not.
Oh, I was under the impression that you are standing there in that side.
12, my lord, he is
11 and 12, your lordship has taken.
12, my lord, he is for the state.
Then who has filed this?
My lord, is 12.
12 this is.
Huh?
Rahman, MD Rahman, item number 12.
You are appearing on whom?
In
Who is for the read petitioner?
Item number 12. Like,
I
11 and 12.
understand. He's for the respondent in item number 12.
Yes.
Who is for the petitioner?
I'm for the petition. My lord, same matter. 11 and 12, my lord, with the
But 11, some other person is
Some,
appearing.
for the state is some other.
এই 12 টা দিন তাহলে 12 টা দিন।
page 21.
Page number?
21.
And where is your representation?
Well, at page 19. Now kindly come to page 19.
You applied for stock license.
Yes. Though my lord, my submission is not required because stock license is required for the excavators, those who excavate and store.
I got your
Yes.
point.
Yes.
আসুন।
Yes. Below. But it should be 8. It should be here, it should be 8. Like, earlier is respondent number 6, मतलब below, like this petition is respondent number 8. Like page
Paragraph 2.
paragraph 2.
Respondent number?
6, it should be respondent number 8.
It should be respondent 6.
Like this petition is 8, below. Like, kindly see. Page 3 is a cost.
Yes, yes.
No,
Page
the
8.
report has been submitted by the IC.
Oh.
Am I correct?
Like he said below, he asked.
No. IC has submitted.
Right. Yes.
Then 6.
6. Enclosing a memo, enclosing a submits at the Learned Advocate for the state submits a report dated 10/7/2025 as submitted by the respondent number 6 authority, which is taken on record. এই paragraph 2 টা এরকম ভাবে চেঞ্জ হলো এখানে হচ্ছে নামটা পাল্টে যাবে, এটা হয়ে যাবে রিট পিটিশনের নামটা হচ্ছে এখানে নাম হয়ে যাবে, it would reveal that the read petitioner being the proprietor of Messrs. এই যে মোহাম্মদ রহমান এন্টারপ্রাইজ Who are visiting? Who are now
6 and 8.
6 and 8?
6 and 8.
তাহলে এটা হয়ে যাবে 6 and 8 are continuously visiting, no?
Yes.
What's your good name? Sir, what's your good name?
Diptendu Narayan Banerjee.
Mr. Banerjee ঠিকই থাকবে। এটা হয়ে যাবে তাহলে এই জুরিসডিকশনাল বিএলআর কথাটা কেটে যাবে। দ্যাট
সেটাই তো তখন বিলের রিপোর্ট
এটা পুলিশ দিয়েছে।
তো বললাম
as reported as of not legal permission for stacking of fine.
এটা আমার আইসি দিয়েছে। আগেরটা বিলের দিয়েছে।
এটা হয়ে যাবে রেসপন্স নাম্বার 8, প্যারাগ্রাফ নাম্বার 9. In paragraph number
Yes.
it should be response number 8.
8. Yes.
And in paragraph number 11, Mr.
11, 6 and 8.
6 and 8 would be, it would be 6 and 8. It page
And-
number before was
And the name would be changed, Malad. Then next page 6 and 8 again. And instead
Mr.
of
Petronil filter
yes.
Mohammad such and such, বুঝলে? তাহলে এখানে হয়ে যাবে প্যারা 13, 6 and 8. Mr. Dhar, am I correct?
Yes, Malad.
Paragraph 14, 6 and 8. WPA number change হয়ে যাচ্ছে. Is there any cancer?
No, Malad.
No can. Along with the বাদ যাবে তাহলে। তাহলে is disposed of হবে, হ্যাঁ? Is disposed of.
I'm deeply obliged.
11 not today.
11. Let me wait. Let us wait for the second call.
Yeah.
Call from item number 3, 1 second. এটা কার affidavit of service পড়ে রইলো দেখে নাও।
My affidavit service product that matter.
Affidavit of service যে taken on record করে দিও।
Get
Yes, go on calling.
Number 3,
For the petition.
Not today.
item number 4, item number 5, number 6,
I have to respond last night.
Not today.
item number 7,
7 and 10. 7 I am for the petitioner. 10 I am for the respondent. Nobody.
Not today. 7 and 10 not.
What I am praying, my lord, your lordship kindly take it on next Thursday, my lord. I have got difficulty. Tomorrow
তাহলে একটা কাজ করো 7 এ Thursday means 24th.
24. Yes.
তাহলে 7 to 24th করে দাও।
10.
7 and item number 10.
Item number 10, 24th করে দাও। 24th July.
Yes. Develop.
Please intimate the other side.
Item number 9, item number 11,
Go on calling. 13.
item number 13,
Not today.
14, 15, 16,
Your Lordship, item number 15, Your Lordship. I'm appealing for the petitioner.
State is not present. Not today.
number 16, item number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
But I'm for the petition. My private respondent is there.
Date.
Nobody else.
Not today.
28, 29, 30,
30 I'm for the petition.
Not today.
31, 32.
Call the other matters also. Hearing matters, call the matter. Assign matter, call the matter. Application.
Item number 43.
I'm for the one of the respondent part.
29, your other both sides are present.
For the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, state is present. Then not today.
43 though.
43,
43 my lord, I'm for the respondent.
not today.
Item number 44.
So my lord, there was a direction of your lordship anyhow, my lord, that matter was business for long back ago. And my lord, there was a direction of your lordship, my lord, to intimate the before the Minister of Law and Justice, so that I, on last occasion, I must be able to let the appear. So my lord, today my appearance may be recorded. Otherwise, my lord, that is my problem.
43 file Ladi. You are for Union of India.
Union of India.
43 din. You are Mr.
Sanojit Kumar.
Mr. Ghosh, learned advocate, appearing on behalf of the
At item 44, I am for the petitioner. This is a restoration application. A matter dismissed in the year
very
2019.
good. No, I'm making not today. Other side is not present.
May I submit one thing, Lordship? My lord, this was filed. Thereafter, it was mentioned for enlistment. Accordingly, it has. My lord, I have already served copy upon them. After mentioning, it has.
What do you want? Hearing today?
No, my lord, later date may be fixed.
Why it will remain in the list as it is?
Lordship.
It may be taken up tomorrow.
Lordship.
Item number 45.
Please remain present at the time of hearing.
46. 47. 48. 49.
Lordship, 49, I am for the respondent bank. Very recently, I have been served with a copy of the amended writ petition. I am filing, I'm beseeching Lordship to kindly grant me 2 weeks' time for filing my affidavit in opposition to the writ petition.
I'm not passing any order. 49, no?
49.
Remain present at the time of call on the next.
Lordship, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I have some difficulty. If your Lordship kindly take it up on.
Ask any of your friends to seek an accommodation.
Or if your Lordship kindly grant me only 10 days time for filing my opposition.
I will.
Lordship.
But not, I am in absence of any other side, I am not.
Lordship.
In case of any difficulty on your part, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, ask any of your brother, sister or friend to seek an accommodation. I shall counsel.
I'm grateful, Lordship.
My lord, I appear in item number 50. I appear for the KMD in this matter.
5. 6.
My lord, I appear for in item number 50.
7. 8. 9. 60. 61. 62. 50. 54. 55. 57. 68.
Your Lordship, time for the petitioner.
Not today.
Much obliged.
69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98.
कुल